I'm going to address the debate about whether the Zippo red label seal should be removed or shouldn't be. Here is a brand new unused quite clearly because the red label is still intact. The lighters, white matte, quite hard to tell, made in H of the year 2000. So this is a millennial lighter, H being the month of August. As of this year being 2022, this lighter would be at over 20 years old with the label still intact. Come along and we shall see what's going to happen upon peeling out this red sticky label, and then you shall see for yourself whether it is a good idea to keep it attached. Another word to mention that these labels from the 1990s, they were being made of paper material. That is not the same as the sticky label as of the more recent times being made of plastic. Anyway, let's now peel it apart. Oh, look at that. It's already leaving some adhesive tears on the lighter. Continue peeling is not looking good. Look. See that this paper label is already coming apart, and I am forcing a hell lot of issues to deal with this sticky gummy residues that has already been on the lighter finish. Look, see, not good. At least to some extent, this crumbly red sticky label seal has come apart just enough to open the lid of the brand new lighter. 20 over years old, open for the first time, and looks like the flint remains intact. Oh, thank goodness. The wick remains clean, chimney remains shiny and polished. So yeah, what we are contending with now is to deal with the sticky gummy residue at the back. At least I'm feeling quite relieved that the flint has not disintegrated and cemented in the tube. If that happens, you'll find that the chimney is coated in dust, and to clear the obstruction of the flint tube, I have another video. Do check it out. But right now, this is not the issue that we need to deal with. And let me see if I can pull out the insert. It's quite tight. Matching month and matching year of the insert and the case. Oh, wait a minute. The next crucial thing to do after peeling off the sticky label seal is to have the flint removed. Once the flint is out, I will wedge a piece of thin cardboard underneath the flint wheel before screwing the flint spring back on. This is to remind anybody, including myself in the future, not to spin this wheel ever again, unless a flint has been reinstalled, of course. Alright, the way which I have been doing to deal with such sticky residue is to just use my fingernails and lighter fluid in addition to a lot of patience and hard work. That's because I have no other alternatives. Well, I really can't think of any other options but to use my own bare nails to scrape whatever I could off the lighter finish. Really, I'm afraid if the use of any items to as a scraper could possibly damage or even, you know, deface the lighter finish. So if you have any other suggestions, do drop your comments and share that with me. So far, I have already scraped off enough that only a little bit is left at the body, and now I've got to deal with the lid. And to make sure I clean up the interior casing, looking at huge amount of lighter fluid and sticky residues has fallen inside while I was doing the scrapings. Making sure it's clean from inside and out before I start using the cloth. Just going to let the lighter casing air out for a while before putting back the insert. And we are done for now. By the way, this is a Zippo model 214. Merry Christmas. This coming Christmas, I shall showcase this lighter again in further details, I hope. As of now, I hope you all stay safe and have a great one.